as they break, boring out the way, there's Man City leaving a charge of horses, and Man City has the lead by a length. Man City, 2 in front. Pietro Moran keep on winning. Man City pouring it on in the Woodstock Stakes, and Pietro Moran darting down the wire, a very big winner. Man City scores by almost falling away. Stormcast and Ticker Tape home. Elysian Field coming away to win the Seaway Stakes. 3/4 Ticker Tape home. And down the lane in the Marine, it's Man City and War Signal fighting back. Man City in front, and the beautifully turned out Man City wins the Marine from Scorching and Megalodon. Then Sidbury's goes, and they're off. And as they break, boring out was Ashley's Archer. What a get-to-wire winner! Man City and Pietro Moran win. From Thomas Magic, Notorious Gangsters, Scorching, Watsonville Red, 57.